The Trom 8 mulcher is a powerful and efficient machine designed for shredding various types of vegetation, including bushes, trees, and branches. This mulcher features a large, heavy-duty rotor that spins at high speeds, creating a suction effect that pulls in vegetation and reduces it into a fine mulch. It also comes with adjustable blades and hammers that can be configured to achieve the desired shredding result. Arcuson Automatic Bale Loader AutoStack FSX is the world leader in the bale handling sector. Designed and equipped to work at high speeds, its advanced monitoring systems and safety sensors help prevent accidents and ensure that the machine operates smoothly and efficiently. It's easy to use, with intuitive controls and a user-friendly interface that make it simple to operate and customize to meet specific needs. The Brower 4000 Automatic Roll Sod Harvester is a specialized piece of equipment used in the agricultural industry for harvesting and cutting sod. The machine is pulled by a tractor and can be adjusted to accommodate different types of grasses and soil conditions. The machine's cutting blades and rollers are designed to minimize damage to the grass, resulting in rolls that are smooth, dense, and easy to install. The easiest way to remove the sod is to use a special Klassen cutter. Such a machine will save you hours of grueling work. They cut the turf in precise curves or straight lines. These cutters are very compact and maneuverable. This is a bulk cutter, the world's first deep-sea mineral extraction vehicle. It was designed to recover seafloor massive sulfides in the Bismarck Sea off Papua New Guinea. The power is supplied via an umbilical from the vessel. The BRAC T26.B double row disc gripper is used to work in the most difficult areas, coping with boulders and slash residues. When driving on the plot, you can choose one of the pre-programmed modes of operation, depending on changes in terrain conditions. The BRAC T26.B gives a good result on all types of soil thanks to its wide range of settings. Soil preparation with its help provides seedlings and seeds with the best conditions for survival and development, regardless of the terrain. The Grimm SC 260 is a specialized potato harvester designed to efficiently and effectively harvest potatoes on a large scale. This powerful machine is built to handle tough conditions and deliver high yields with minimal waste, making it an ideal tool for commercial potato farmers. This potato harvester is also highly customizable. These include advanced monitoring systems, variable speed controls, and specialized picking heads for different potato varieties. The Toll Incorporated Crosshedger is a fast and efficient tree trimming machine designed for use in orchards, vineyards, and other agricultural settings. With its powerful cutting blades and innovative design, this machine is capable of quickly and accurately trimming trees of various sizes and shapes. Its precision cutting blades are designed to provide a clean and accurate cut, while its unique cross-edging feature allows for efficient trimming of both sides of the tree at once. John Deere has developed an autonomous all-electric agricultural machine, which has already been called the tractor of the future. The electrification of machines becomes more important for agriculture machine manufacturers. A key aspect of this strategy is the self-use of electricity. This makes farmers independent of rising fuel prices. Agricultural robot Sweeper helps farmers to harvest. It's specifically intended for use in single-stem row cropping systems where the fruits are not clustered and where there's little leaf occlusion. The manufacturers have incorporated advanced computer vision methods to improve the robot's ability to detect ripe produce. The Overassen TV1000 is a powerful snow removal machine that is capable of clearing large amounts of snow quickly and efficiently. This snowblower is equipped with a powerful engine and features a self-propelled design, which allows it to easily navigate through heavy snow and challenging terrain. The New Holland Blueberry Harvesting Machine is a specialized piece of equipment used for commercial blueberry harvesting. The machine works by driving over the blueberry plants and using a set of vibrating rods to shake the berries off the bushes. The berries then fall onto a conveyor belt or other collection system and are transported to a storage or processing area. The AgZeed robot tractor is an innovative and intelligent machine designed for precision farming. It comes equipped with advanced sensors, GPS technology, and artificial intelligence that enable it to navigate autonomously and perform various farming tasks with high accuracy. It's also equipped with safety features such as obstacle detection and emergency stop that ensure safe operation.